This is going to be part one of my shower leak investigation. Only been living in the house for about a month and a half now. The house looked amazing on the surface, as you can see. The gentleman before me had just used plasterboard behind tiles. Quite a bodge. So, where I thought I could just reseal it, it's like I'm going to have to take off in a couple more rows and replace this bit of plasterboard with some aquaboard for now until we rip it all out and have a nice new shower. It's going to be a temporary repair. I think for now, at least it teaches me how to do some tiling, some grouting, and I'll get a professional and do the rest. But I thought I'd log it and put it on YouTube for people to see what else horrors can lie beneath when dealing with buying a house. So if I just show what the shower looks like. So these raised the platform, took this off, see if I can find the leak. The waste is barely going, it goes along here, along there, and out there, and it does not drop enough. And it takes a long time to run. So for now, we're just going to strip off these, see how bad damage is. There is some stud work behind, probably rotten or damp, needs to air and dry out. I'm a hobbyist, I have no idea really what I'm doing, but we'll learn as we go. And it's a quick fix. See what happens.